Good evening, Billy Jack on location. This time, the historic Keimoku kindergarten daycare house. I pass this house on a regular basis. Notice the opening for the windows below, right at the surface, directly beneath the exact same size little windows there. Absolutely beautiful. The front of it may have been added at a latter date, I'm not sure. Unusual columns. Unusual foundation also. We're on Keimoku Street right now. There's several other mud-flooded structures directly across the street, and then one right up. As you can see, we're in a prime location for this, right beneath the Punch Bowl volcano right there. No, that's not the Punch Bowl, that's Tantalus, going up Round Top. One of those, but the proximity to the base of the mountains there, on this type of a grading slope, you're going to get a lot of wash going down. Just a very interesting old ironwork, wrought iron underneath there. Got more on the other side. Just a historic, beautiful old world house. Stunning. Just don't make stuff like this anymore. Really Jack over and out.